Book of Heaven, Volume 12, April 3rd, 1920. All the will of God in creating man was that he would do his will in everything in order to develop his life in him. Continuing in my poor state, I felt my lovable Jesus in my interior, uniting himself to pray together with me. And then he told me,
"My daughter, all my will in creating man was that he would do my will in everything. And as he would gradually continue to do this will of mine, I would come to complete my life in him, in such a way that, after repeated acts done in my will, forming my life in him, I would come to him, and finding him similar to me, the son of my life, finding the son of my life that he had formed in his soul, would absorb him into me. And as they would be transformed together, like two sons into one, I would bring him into the delights of heaven. Now by the creature's not doing my will, or if now she does it, now she does not, my life is halved by the human life, and the divine life cannot be completed. It is obscured by the human acts, and does not receive abundant food to give a development that would be sufficient in order to form a life. Therefore, the soul is in continuous opposition to the purpose of creation. But alas, how many are there who, by living the life of sin, of passions, form within themselves the diabolical life?
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.